Welcome back. Today we're diving into a luxury SUV that quietly dominates its segment with confidence, class, and cutting-edge technology. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE is not trying to shout for attention, because it doesn't need to. This is an SUV built for people who understand refinement, performance, and presence, all wrapped into one perfectly balanced machine. From the very first glance, the 2026 GLE makes a strong impression. Mercedes has refined the design rather than reinventing it, and that's exactly what works. The front fascia feels bold yet elegant, with a wide grille proudly carrying the three-pointed star and sleek LED headlights that look sharp day or night. The sculpted hood lines flow smoothly into the body, giving the GLE a powerful stance without looking aggressive. From the side, the proportions feel just right: muscular wheel arches, clean character lines, and a confident ride height that reminds you this SUV is ready for both city streets and long highway journeys. At the rear, slim LED taillights and subtle chrome accents complete a look that feels premium without being flashy. Step inside, and this is where the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE truly separates itself from the competition. The cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than an SUV interior. High-quality materials surround you everywhere, from soft touch leather surfaces to real wood, brushed aluminum, or carbon fiber trims depending on the configuration. The seats are wide, supportive, and incredibly comfortable, designed to keep you relaxed even on long drives. Ambient lighting flows across the dashboard and doors, allowing you to choose from dozens of colors to match your mood, turning night drives into a calming experience. The dashboard is dominated by Mercedes' latest MBUX dual-screen setup. The digital instrument cluster and central infotainment screen blend seamlessly, creating a wide, futuristic display that's both beautiful and functional. Everything feels intuitive, whether you're using touch steering wheel controls, the center touchpad, or voice commands. Simply say "Hey Mercedes" and the car responds like a personal assistant, adjusting climate settings, navigation, or music without you lifting a finger. Technology in the 2026 GLE goes far beyond screens. The infotainment system is faster, smarter, and more connected than ever. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with over-the-air updates that keep the system fresh over time. Navigation now includes real-time traffic, advanced route planning, and augmented reality overlays that project directions directly onto the camera view, making city driving stress-free. Even passengers in the back can enjoy optional rear seat entertainment screens, turning long trips into enjoyable journeys. Comfort remains one of the GLE's strongest points. The suspension system has been refined to deliver an incredibly smooth ride, soaking up road imperfections with ease. Optional air suspension takes things even further, adjusting ride height and firmness automatically based on driving conditions. Whether you're cruising on the highway, navigating rough roads, or loading cargo, the GLE adapts effortlessly. Road noise is kept impressively low, creating a quiet cabin that enhances the feeling of luxury. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE offers a range of powertrains designed to suit different driving styles. The standard turbocharged engine delivers smooth, confident acceleration that feels perfect for daily driving. For those who want more excitement, upgraded engines provide stronger performance while maintaining refinement. Mercedes' mild hybrid technology adds an extra boost of power when needed, improving both efficiency and responsiveness. Power delivery is smooth and controlled, making the GLE feel light on its feet despite its size. Driving the GLE is where its engineering truly shines. Steering feels precise, giving you confidence in tight corners while remaining relaxed during long drives. The all-wheel drive system intelligently distributes power to maintain grip in all conditions, whether you're dealing with rain, snow, or uneven terrain. Multiple driving modes allow you to tailor the experience, from comfort-focused cruising to sportier, more engaging dynamics. No matter how you drive it, the GLE feels composed, stable, and reassuring. Safety has always been a Mercedes priority, and the 2026 GLE continues that tradition with an impressive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Adaptive cruise control maintains safe distances in traffic, while lane keeping assist gently guides you back if you drift. Blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition all work together to create a protective driving environment. These features don't feel intrusive. Instead, they operate smoothly in the background, enhancing confidence rather than distracting the driver. Space and practicality are another major strength of the GLE. The cabin offers generous legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making it an excellent choice for families. The rear seats are comfortable enough for adults on long journeys, and the wide opening doors make entry and exit easy. Cargo space is equally impressive, with a large trunk that expands even further when the rear seats are folded down. Whether you're carrying luggage, sports equipment, or everyday groceries, the GLE handles it with ease. The 2026 GLE also focuses on sustainability without compromising luxury. Improved fuel efficiency, hybrid assistance, and eco-focused driving modes help reduce emissions while maintaining performance. Mercedes continues to refine its approach to responsible engineering, making the GLE a smart choice for buyers who want luxury with a forward-thinking mindset. What truly defines the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE is balance. It doesn't try to be the most aggressive, the flashiest, or the loudest SUV on the road. Instead, it delivers a near-perfect blend of comfort, technology, performance, and prestige. It feels just as at home pulling up to a luxury hotel as it does handling daily commutes or weekend road trips. In a crowded luxury SUV market, the GLE stands out by doing everything exceptionally well. It offers a refined driving experience, a beautifully crafted interior, advanced technology, and the unmistakable confidence that comes with the Mercedes-Benz name. For buyers looking for a premium SUV that feels timeless rather than trendy, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE remains one of the most compelling choices available today.